Welcome back. State-run oil marketing companies have deferred petrol price hike. However, aviation turbine fuel price has been hiked by 3% from Saturday midnight. Auto LPG price has also gone up by 6 rupees. Oil companies are demanding a cut in excise duty on petrol. There was a plan to raise petrol prices by rupees 5 a litre from 1st of April. Sources say oil companies were not allowed to raise the petrol prices considering the volatile political situation during the budget session of Parliament.
Oil marketing companies Indian Oil, Hindustan Petroleum and Bharat Petroleum have been demanding that the government either allows them to raise petrol prices or compensates them from revenue losses on the decontrolled fuel. Companies were expecting an informal nod from government and oil ministry to raise the prices, but the government has asked the companies to hold on. Price hike: aviation turbine fuel hike by 3%, auto LPG price hike by 6 rupees, petrol prices unchanged. Oil companies are demanding a cut in excise duty on petrol, which is currently at 14 rupees a litre. Oil companies say we are incurring a loss of about rupees 7 per litre on petrol. We have to raise its price by at least rupees 5, but the government owns the companies, so we have to wait for its green signal. Oil firms are losing rupees 13.10 paise a litre on diesel, rupees 28.67 paise a litre on kerosene and rupees 439.50 paise a cylinder on cooking gas for selling fuels below market rates. Government officials said oil companies were asked to defer the hiked petrol prices considering the volatile political situation during the budget session of Parliament. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
National Highway 17B stretch from Verna to MPT has been left in a dilapidated state. 5.3 kilometers stretch of road has been left without mending. NHAI contractors informed that the PWD officials have not furnished them with proper details of the underground utilities and plans. Hence, the work of the road is at halt.
This national highway work is at halt since 3 months. The entire stretch of NH17B from Verna to Murgaon port is about 18.3 kilometers, of which work on the stretch of 13.3 kilometers has been complete. 5.3 kilometer stretch is pending. The work has been kept on hold after the naphtha outbreak in Vasco. The PRO of TMC Construction informed that they have stalled the work as no plans or drawings have been provided by the PWD officials.
जब भी all the concerned department हमको NOC नहीं देता है, गवर्नमेंट हमको NOC नहीं देता, like electricity board और PWD and all concerned department हमको MPT से clearance नहीं आता है, तो NOC नहीं देता तो हम काम नहीं कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि हमको नाफ्ता का एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है, उसमें से हमने टच किया तो उसमें से बहुत सी यूटिलिटी अंडरग्राउंड मिली. सेम ISL में के नीचे हमने टच किया ग्राउंड को तो उसमें से हमें अंडरग्राउंड यूटिलिटी मिला बहुत. इसलिए हमको डर है कि उसमें से क्या कुछ होता है कि हमको जब तक वो नहीं मिलेगा हम टच नहीं करेंगे. हम काम करने तैयार हैं, हमारे पास वर्क फ्रंट बिल्कुल नहीं अभी, इसलिए हम नहीं कर पा रहे हैं.
This pending work has been hampering the Vascoites and other commuters. They say that the BJP-led government should restart the work on the NH17B stretch on priority basis.
हो सगळ्यात मेजर बायणा बीच हे जे त्यांच्यानी प्रोजेक्ट घेतलेले आहात त्याच्यापेक्षा हो प्रोजेक्ट सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचा. कारण आता जर बजेटा भितर त्यांच्यानी हो प्रश्न जो आहा हायवेचो तो पयलीं घेवपाक जाय आसलो, रवींद्र भवन की हाच्यापेक्षा. कारण आजकाल जे ॲक्सिडेंट जावन लोक जे मरतात ते तर कमी तरी जातले.
A reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
All Goa Democratic People's Federation has demanded 2% reservation for scheduled castes in the Panchayats, Zilla Panchayat and municipality election. They have submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister.
All Goa Federation claims that of total 1,450 members in the Panchayat, not a single member of scheduled caste has been given a representation. Some Panchayats have co-opted members who do not enjoy any right as associate elected members. Federation has demanded 2% reservation in Panchayat, Jilla Panchayat and municipality election.
आज आमचे आरक्षण जे आसा शेड्यूल कास्टाचे 15 वयल्यान 2% सरकारान केल्ले आसा. 1992 आमचो एक सुद्धा मेंबर पंचायतीन आता पर्यंत ना, एक सुद्धा मेंबर आमचो जिल्हा पंचायतीन ना, एक सुद्धा मेंबर आमचो म्युनिसिपालिटी काउन्सिलान ना. हो आमचो एक 2% आरक्षण जे ऑलरेडी सरकारान जे मान्य केल्लें आसा ते दिवपाक म्हाका दिसना की तशी कितें मोठी हरकत आसा अशी. म्हणून आमी सरकारा कडेन मागता की आमकां येणाऱ्या पंचायत इलेक्शनान जे कॉप्ट मेंबर म्हणून दवरलेले आसा त्या कॉप्ट मेंबरांक कसलोच अधिकार ना. आमकां जर दितले तुमी जाल्यार एक अधिकाराचे सीट दिवचे, जे 2% जे सरकारान दवरला ते तरी निदान दिवचे. आनी ते जर 2% जरी दिले जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता आमचे एक जे 52 कॉप्ट मेंबर आसा तेज्या परस आमकां एक 30 अधिकाराचे सीट आमकां चलता.
Federation is demanding a reservation in the forthcoming Panchayat poll.
शेड्यूल एसटी 12% प्रमाणे 180 जागे ऑलरेडी डिक्लेअर केल्ले आसा. ओबीसी 19% प्रमाणे 296 जागे, वुमन्सांक आनी 33%. तशेंच आमकां 2%च्या हिशोबान तुमी जितके सीट आसतले गोवा सरकार आतां हे इलेक्शन लडयतलो त्या सिटा प्रमाणे 2% आमकां दिवचे. सादारण ते म्हाका दिसता जवळ जवळ 30 सीट आसतले. तर ते 30 सीट आमच्या समाजाक मेळचे अशी आमची ही मागणी आसा. सरकारान ऑलरेडी म्हटलेलें आसा की आमी खंयच्याच म्हणजे लोकांक चडशे रस्त्यार येवपाक दिवचे ना आनी सरकारान ते आमकांय बी रस्त्यार येवपाक रस्त्यार हाडचे न्हू अशें आमी सरकार कडेन मागणी करता.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Prajot Pednekar.
The final notification for import of pharma-related goods from Mormugao port could be issued in the next 2 weeks. This was announced by MPT Chairman Mara Pandian on Friday. Pandian blamed hurdles at the bureaucratic level as the reason for the delay. Export of pharma goods has begun from the port at Mormugao.
The Goa Pharmaceutical Manufacturers Association held their annual general meeting on Friday. During the meeting, MPT Chairman Mara Pandian announced that the final notification for import of pharma goods could be issued in the next 2 weeks.
There was a lot of delay in having the export done from this particular port. Various reasons. I'm not trying to hold anyone responsible. We could really do that. Just before we came on the stage, also there's a call from Joint Secretary of Health, who's dealing with your export and import. Because the import is yet to be notified. We got a, what they call a preliminary notification. The file was sent to them. He was saying like, the law department took an objection on this. As usual, I told you, you can even move Himalaya, not the bureaucracy. As usual, they have taken an objection on that. He said, however, he promised, and he told me, convey to our friends in the association meeting, we'll get it cleared. It's a question of just 1 or 2 more weeks.
Goa has been opened up for exports as of now. Import is still notified, but it is not, the final notification has not come. So we are awaiting that final notification. So that is what he announced.
Outgoing president of GPMA Arun Naik emphasized on the need for more land allocation for pharma industry. He also expressed concern over the rising transportation and accommodation costs on employees in pharma industry.
Presently, Goa is making around 6,500 crores, out of which around 4,500 crores is exports alone. But this will grow further with the existing units, plus more units will have to come. For that, land has to be made available. There is plenty of land which is locked up, I understand at IDC, so that SEZ land which has been frozen because of some litigation and all that, if it is made free, and if it is earmarked exclusively for pharma industry, it will be a big help.
A reporter for Prudent, Jason Suarez with video journalist Ravindra Darvi.
It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.